ya chebia nipa tiki baby Opiara reprinity ochefone wine aboni diano nyamia ne prano do wakakwa moko anhwe opiara ya dia wo beto nyane amanfo keka na bebrebe nyina ye kwekwe mokwa Yehowa nshira na moni pa yodifo
for jubilate, for celebrate. Metiasia, metima wo. Papa God, now you be my strength. Na mi guswa, mi huma wo. For jubilate, for celebrate. Metiasia, metima wo.
Obrayo ko, intimia wani, priwu mojani, ansanya ju.
Like that.
No, we don't have money. We don't have money. Recently that I bought this cherry for you, you are telling me now that at it. Huh? I'm sorry.
But I want to tell you something.
What is it? I'm just praying to get some work so that I'll come and clear this school this once and again this time.
What are you going to do?
The sickness, right?
Yes. When it comes to one of my projects, who got me some drugs? And I was okay.
You'll be fine, okay? Everything is going to be fine, okay? I want the necessary medicine for you so that you take it and you'll be fine to school, okay?
Ayo
Somebody help me. Hello?
Where am I?
Who are you? Are you okay? Who are you? I'm not your name.
Moi, Nkoma. But you can call me Yamwa.
Yamwa, I came to meet you here, almost dead. Are you okay? Please stop speaking.
Hey, what did you do?
This is actually the closest place I could get to.
Thank you so much.
Where do you stay? What do you do?
I lost my parents. I'm left with only my younger brother. But for work, I have nothing to do.
I'm sorry, okay? I wish I could help. But don't worry. I'll go to your house with you to see where you stay. Alright? So that I can help out anytime I get something.
Thank you for everything.
Anyway, I'm Birago, Lisa. So, my mom is in Ghana and my dad is in Nigeria. I was in Nigeria. I just came to Ghana like some months ago. I hope you're fine.
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you. Oh, you'll be here soon. He's just changing up. You'll be here soon.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Amen. I hope you're okay.
Very fine.
I've been talking with your brother. Very good.
That's good. You can come around anytime.
Okay. I should be taking my leave now.
So soon.
Yeah, I was going somewhere too. Okay, okay. I'll see you some other time.
Okay. Thanks for the visit.
I'm
She's Bravo. She saved my life today. I nearly died of hunger.
Oh! Thank God you didn't die.
It's not easy.
You know, I can't afford to lose you to brother. You're the only one I could now.
God will not even allow that to happen to us.
Amen. Amen. But brother, they came to beat me today for not paying my school fees.
Me, this thing, I don't understand it too. I mean, why should they punish you for not paying your school fees? Are you the one paying the school fees for yourself? Are they not the same teachers who took you to a hospital last time when you were ill? Why didn't they come to beat me rather?
Brother, I know you want to take care of me. All I can say is you can't. So I decided to stop schooling and decide to go to streets.
And what do you mean by that? Where did you get that stupid idea from? Now listen and listen good. As far as I am alive and I'm not yet dead, you are not quitting school. I will do everything possible within my power to send you to the last stage of schooling. Do you get me? Do you get me?
But brother, shut
up and listen to me. Whatever I say is a final. She gave me some money. I've kept it under your pillow. Take it and go and pay part of your school fees. You get me?
Like I said, my father is not around, okay? And so when he comes, I'll tell him, okay? You don't have to worry, okay? Martin, thank you very much. God bless you so much. God bless you. But I don't want to when I was not, I will tell you. Okay, I think I'll be fine, okay? So anything, don't worry. I went to look for a job for my friend's father's house, but he wasn't at home. So he gave me his number for you to call me for feedback. But unfortunately for me, I was coming. The sickness came again.
No, Kim. No. I don't remember the last time I asked you to go around looking for a job for me. You know, because of this sickness, I don't want you to be moving around anyhow. Anything can happen to you, Kim.
But I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Brother, please. Why don't you allow me to die like Mommy and Papa did? So that you'll be free.
Will you stop saying that and take the drugs? What's wrong with you, huh?
Brother, please. This is not even the prescribed right for me. I will even die if I take them. Please allow me to die slowly, why? Please.
Kim! You won't die, okay? You won't die. Nothing will happen to you. Stop it! Can I tell you something before you do what you're about to do?
I don't need your advice.
Hey! Stop it! Stop it! was here to kill myself because my little brother is dying of a sickness that killed our parents. As I'm talking to you now, I have done all I can to save him, but my best is still not enough. As I'm talking to you now, my little brother is dying. His condition is so critical. There's no help. There's nothing I can do.
My father died and left properties, mansions and riches. But I don't have anybody in this world to show me love and care. All I want is someone who will show me love and care. I'm sorry. I'll help your brother. But only on one condition. That you and your brother stay with me in my father's mansion.
You're not going to kill yourself anymore.
You're going to kill yourself too. Come on, let's help your brother.
Sunday takase wow ni se na usi wamani ni se na usi bibi ye wa yonana ayedi usemina yamini